Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. In today's video, I am just here in my bare face because today's video is all about how you should take care of yourself. We most of the time ignore our proper skincare, and it's just because that we are busy in our daily lifestyle that results loads of our skin problems. So in this new year, I promise myself to take care of my skin as much as I can. But when it comes about taking care of my skin, the one part that I really hate to do, and that is applying mask, because every time I apply mask, it is either time consuming, sometimes it is very messy, and I really don't like all that kind of messy things on my fingers. Yes, I know many of you have the same kind of feeling because there are a few masks that you need to mix it first before you apply it on your face, which is very messy. Second, you have to use your fingers because sometimes they have no spatula or they have no brush in them. But in today's video, I am going to talk about my experience using some new launches all from Sugar Cosmetics that makes my skincare regime hassle-free, no messy fingers, and within few minutes I can achieve clear, bright skin. What is it? Well, let me show you the products. So Sugar has finally launched this Sugar Power Clay Stick Mask, and this is the PR kit that I have received. They have launched this Power Clay Stick Mask in 5 variety and I received all of them. So these are the 5 varieties that has been launched by Sugar in their Power Clay Stick Mask. The price of each stick mask is rupees 6.99 each, and you are going to get 30 gram of product, and these are all the 5 variety. So now let's talk about little bit about the packaging. So they comes up in this kind of carton box, as you can see, whereas the mask comes up in this kind of twist up kind of packaging. All you have to do, you just have to open this lid like so. There is one guard and you just have to remove the guard, and then you just have to twist up and you can use it directly on your skin, and there is no need to use your finger. You just have to apply it like so. Can you just see how easy it is to apply? So the mask sticks are very colorful. These are all the 5 variants, and let me tell you, the color at the bottom of each stick just matches with the mask color. So I would say that the packaging of each mask stick are really funky and quirky, as you can see, and I really like it. They look very colorful and very easy to use. So now let me show you all the products one by one, and let me talk little bit regarding all the products. So all these products have loads of benefits. What are they? Well, they help to pore cleansing, which means it helps to repair the skin. They help to revitalize your skin, which means they enhance the skin moisture. All the masks are really hydrating, which means they are working as skin conditioning. All the mask stick provide younger looking skin, which means that it improves the uneven complexion. They have antioxidant, which means that all these products have deep cleansing properties. Stick mask helps in conditioning your skin. It removes deep pores and repairs damaged skin and help to look younger. The grapefruit extracts help in toning your skin, and it works great with oily and acne prone skin complexions. Watermelon extracts help with vitamin C for your skin. So there are 5 variants, as you can see. The first variant is Sugar Power Clay Stick Mask 01. It is brightening. The second one is 02 pore cleansing. The third one is 03 revitalizing. The fourth mask is after sun, and the last but not the least, 05 oil control. So the first I took is pore cleansing. It helped to repair the skin, and you can see I am just applying this mask on those area of my face where I feel my pores are little large. Now next I took Sugar Power Clay Stick 05, which is an oil control, as you can see, and I am applying this mask on my face, on my T-zone area, just to control the oil in my T-zone area, as you can see. So I have just applied pore cleansing and oil control on my face on those areas where I need to treat my pores and little bit of my oil. So yes, I am going to keep this mask 5 to 10 minutes and then I am just going to remove this mask. Now this is what I have treated for my pores and to control the oil on my face. Now moving on to Sugar Power Clay Mask Stick 03, which is revitalizing, and I am going to apply it on those areas of my face that I feel little bit dry and they need to be revitalized. As you can see, the side of my cheeks and little bit on my forehead, I have just applied the stick mask 03 as I need to be revitalized on those area. Whereas for brightening purpose on my mouth area, I have applied Sugar Power Clay Mask Stick 01, which is brightening. And again I'm going to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm just going to remove this mask like so. That is all about all the 4 masks that I feel that my skin need at this moment. Now moving on to the last mask that I'm going to apply today, and that is Sugar Power Clay Mask Stick 04 After Sun. This is the mask that I prefer after coming back from work after whole day being under the sun, and that's why I am going to apply this mask all over on my face, leaving for 5 to 10 minutes and then I will just remove it like so. So finally, I can say goodbye messy fingers, and here is an innovative and easy way of applying mask. I really like all the mask sticks because they are very easy to use. As you have seen, I don't have to use my fingers no matter whether you have long nails or not. Now your masks are not going to stick on your nails and it is totally mess free and hassle free. Let me tell you, all the products of Sugar Cosmetics are paraben free. They are vegan and definitely these are all cruelty free products. So now say hello to your clear bright skin with Sugar Cosmetics Power Clay Mask Sticks. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. If you have any queries regarding all these products, then do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Definitely I will try to reply you as much as I can. And I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.